Bonga mhlonishwa waseMbabane East, umhlonishwa waseMayiwane.
Siyabonga, Honorable Chair, for the first time in the long life of my life here at Parliament, I'll be calm when talking to the Ministry of Public Service, not because I have to be calm, but because of the milestone achievements we've achieved since the Ministry yaga Public Service. Sibonga iParliament kubambisa umhlonishwa Minister of Public Service phinze abe umhlonishwa semaphaleni tindzaba tibiyakhashana. At some point people will say umhlonishwa seMayiwane abevani nemhlonishwa wa semaphalaleni, such that sometimes you'll find the minister plotting to have myself not coming back 2028 with other ministers. Unfortunately, they cannot do that. They don't have the capacity to do that. Now, what was wrong? I was trying to assist the minister to run this litigo, and successfully we did that. And I'm happy with Minister what can understand that we are not fighting, but we are trying to help him achieve not that in the salary review, double phase 2. Yes, we snagokhala because umhlonishwa minister udibene nalababi bakhuluma kabi ngalamaphoyisa lamancane lebekumele athola imali athola lokula kuthola. Na ungangibuda mzivele bekumele bathole imali angati, but lengishonga ukuthi baba doja, but the thing is khona bakutholile. So for that we are very grateful, and I believe malunga ayikhulumile because sihamba nawo onke malanga lamgwaqweni, they are still crying. And some MP even hinted lokuthi indzaba ye political unrest is not over, and these are the very same people who are expected to be running agijimisa lendaba le. You know, making them happy will make the country a safer place. So I want to congratulate the Minister for Public Service for a successful salary review exercise and that of phase 2. And then I make a request, you know, ningahlangani nalababi kunyathela labancane. You know, nahola 3,000 bese uthi wena ungamngeteli umuntu ngikhuluma grade A na grade B, vele nihlangane nje nonke vele nithi laba bangangeteli bahola kancane laba bakahle, like no, ngicela nibuke kulendzaba yema appeals. This issue itanibangela inkinga capable ukuthi isibangise umsindo, so ngicela nizame kuyilungisa, ngiyanicela. Nalena ke emaphoyisa 1% usebenze 1%. Khulume mina ngijunior officer, ngikhulume ma junior officer bese kuthole ma senior police officers bahola kakhulu, bahole ukuhlala lema office. These young ones abathola lutho. So siyacela mhlonishwa minister, we are not fighting you, and we are happy of all the achievement lo sitwe iParliament ukuthi uwathola nanyalo nakulena sisengabambisana. Ngingishephesini etiko letingudla, we've been reporting tikhala sonke labahlonishwa sichamuke tingudleni sisebenza ngebathuthukisi, sisebenza ngabo mabhalani, but last year 72 posts ka tingudla, nalonyaka 72 posts ka tingudla, like asingakwendini kube normal ngokuthi kube bede tikhala kahulumende. The reason we are paying you, all of you, is to do your job. And if Star reported tikhala last year and this year, it means you are just sitting there in my office doing nothing. Nile nje nikuplanela ukuthi sito defender kanjani ukuthi kude ema post, sito defender kanjani ukuthi asigarenew ngani ma contracts, and that one is wrong. The reason God entrusted you with the public office is to be of service to the people, and let's cut sense because we will all be vacating our office soon. you must always work to leave a legacy. In whatever you do, leave a legacy. Don't be remembered by people who will always defend, would say, asbaningale postle, asbafanga. No, try to work around something. Otherwise, today I'm calm, Honorable Minister. It's because I'm happy of your achievement through my assistance. Thank you so much.
Asibonge mhlonishwa wasemayiwa.